Hey, yeah. What's a W-9? What's a PPO? So is a dependent like just a human or?
What's my social? Mom, you're whispering it. Can you just say it?
Wait, when is Thanksgiving?
You turn my room into what? Do you have my birth certificate? What do you mean you don't know?
What's your cable password? Hey, Mom, what's up?
Sweetie, I found Mr. Snugglebear in the hall closet. Want me to ship him to you?
Mom, Jesus, I'm an adult.